Well, here at the fire office, the headquarters, you can look at an explosion that's being simulated here, and you can see fire as well right on top. About 3 to 4 explosions were just simulated by the fire teams. Right now, it's just been about 30 seconds since a simulation has happened, and now you look at emergency vehicles that will be coming in to carry out rescue, and here you can look at an ambulance as well immediately coming in. Fire team, initially the first team to respond is going to be the fire team on a motorbike. You could also expect another fire engine to come in because there is fire. So this is, of course, to try and demonstrate the ability of the fire teams, the rescue teams as well, in case there is any sort of attack or an explosion that takes place in a city like Bengaluru. How prepared are the fire department? How prepared are the police department? How prepared are the civil defense teams and even the medical teams? That is what they're trying to emulate here through this particular mock drill. Just a while ago, they were showing a rescue operation inside water. Here with gas masks and oxygen cylinders, you're looking at a team that has just arrived. Ladders being brought in at this point in time, and another huge fire engine with a massive ladder which is capable of reaching even high rises. That has now just been brought in. So now they're also demonstrating all sorts of equipment that they have. Now, of course, during an emergency situation, you probably will not have teams coming in this quickly. But here, since it's a mock drill, they are trying to showcase all the equipment that they have. Now you can see a team has already erected a ladder, which will head now straight up to the second floor. That's where the fire right now is being simulated. Another team has already gone in on foot, which will, of course, be using the staircase to get to the terrace. So for the people, of course, at this point in time, this is a form of preparation, because while this is now in a controlled atmosphere inside the Karnataka State Disaster Response Building, this could be a situation anywhere in the country. Hopefully not, but if it is, how are the people going to respond? How are the citizens in particular going to respond? How are the rescue teams going to respond? Are they prepared? Are the equipments that they have all in order? That is what they're trying to establish, trying to ascertain through this mock drill exercise that's right now underway. As we look at these dramatic pictures that we're looking at from Bengaluru, there you see two firemen who have reached the terrace where the explosion took place. The fire still being witnessed, that we can still witness. Now using the extinguishers there, the water jets to extinguish the fire. A lot of smoke now emanating. Here, I'm just going to show you as this vehicle now passes by me. There's a person who's injured. That's what they're trying to once again demonstrate. That person will now be taken in an ambulance. They're trying to, of course, show all forms of rescue, all forms of efforts that the personnel here will be, of course, trying to put forth. So it's not just a demonstration of the fire department, it's a demonstration of all the people who are right now working here, including civil defense, the paramedics. There is also, of course, the police department, the traffic police, because they will have to coordinate efforts to ensure that when the ambulances need to come in, when the fire engines need to come in, they need to ensure that there is vehicular movement that is controlled, and free movement of these emergency vehicles can happen. So all of this will be top focus. You can see a lot happening right now. This, in a way, of course, will help the police department, the fire department analyze what needs to be done, what were the errors. Such mock drills is not going to be limited to only this area. It's going to happen over the course of the next 1 week in multiple locations, in Bengaluru, in Karwar, and even in Raichur. In Karwar, there's a Kaiga nuclear power plant. There's also a thermal plant in Raichur. We've also been told that there could be drills happening in Mysuru, in Mandya as well. So this is going to be a week-long exercise where various forms of such rescue and relief operations will continue to happen as a demonstration, as a mock exercise to train civil defense personnel, fire personnel, and the citizens combined. Back to you.